Hi. In this workshop, we're gonna go through some of the basics of Cinema4D and how to produce contents for stage mapping. We're gonna provide the students with a 3D model of a real stage design, which is going to be built for Space Safari 2020. After some basic and intermediate tutorials, we're gonna go through lighting, how to do animation specifically for stage design, and how to export the clips in order to use them with Madmapper. Very powerful software which will help us project into space our visuals. We're gonna go also through some basic techniques of generative content production through Madmapper and how to queue different sequences of mappings in order to build a real VJ set, which will be performed during the nights of the festival.